In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create Office documents with Perplexity AI. By the end, you'll know exactly how to turn a simple prompt into a clean, downloadable Excel file, all from your browser. First, open your browser and head to the official Perplexity website. You can use any modern browser on desktop or laptop. Give the page a moment to load so everything is ready. You'll see a clean interface with a large area meant for your question or task. Next, click into the empty prompt area so your cursor is active and ready to type. This makes sure what you write goes into the prompt box, and it also helps the site suggest format options as you compose your request. Now, type in your research or task. Be clear about what you want the spreadsheet to contain and how it should be structured. For example, you might say, create an Excel spreadsheet that lists the top project management tools with columns for tool name, pricing tier, supported platforms, and a brief feature summary. The more specific you are about columns, formatting, and level of detail, the better the output will match your needs. If you have a target row count, date range, or preferred units, include that as well. It's also helpful to ask for a preview of the table so you can inspect it before downloading. Keep your language direct and unambiguous, and avoid extra fluff that could distract from the structure you want. When your prompt looks good, click Submit. Perplexity will process your request and return a result. You should see a table or a clear preview of the spreadsheet content. Take a moment to review it carefully. Check that column names are correct, values are consistent, and sample rows look accurate. If something's off, refine your prompt right in the same box. Clarify a column, adjust the scope, or ask for standardized formats, and submit again. Small tweaks go a long way toward getting a clean data set. Once you're happy with the preview, look for the provided download option. Perplexity typically offers a straightforward way to export, or a file link you can click to download the Excel document. Save it to a familiar folder so you can find it easily. After downloading, open the file in your spreadsheet app to confirm everything looks right and make any final touches like formatting, filters, or sorting. That's it. You visited Perplexity, clicked into the prompt area, typed a clear structured request, submitted it, previewed the result, and downloaded your Excel file. Use this same flow for any Office